Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rearrange featured products on Shopify. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go, let's just take a look in our featured products. And basically, I only have this one. And if you want to change the order or rearrange the order of your products, you will need just to go to the menu products. So from here, from our Shopify admin center or admin, you can go to products, and from here we will find all the products. And basically, all we need to do is just to make them in a collection. So if we go to the home page, for example, where we are going to find our featured product, we will need just to use these products here, and from here we can rearrange them. So as you can see here, they are arranged by best selling. You can add any type of sorting, so either by name. So basically, since this is the only product, it will be first. Otherwise, in the simplest, not the simplest, but it's hard, but what it will give you more control is by using the manual sorting. So from here, you can choose any item to be the first one or any item to be the second. So you will simply arrange them manually and you will have them however you like, and you can display your featured products however you like on your store. So as you can see, you can use as many collections as you want. So here for the home page, you can add any other products that you would like. So we can go to browse, and here you will find your products and add any products that you would like. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.